Welcome everyone. Most of you know who I am, but for those who don't, I'm Sylvia Arrington. Today, we're going to equip you with the vital skills and knowledge to guide your children to grow lifelong skills. What some of you may not know is that 80% of a child's brain is developed by the age of 3, and that number increases to 90% by the age of 5. So now is a time where raising children counts the most. It's really important to equip yourselves with the vital skills to help build a generation of children that are mindful, intrinsically motivated, self-confident, have the ability to critically think and problem solve, and that thus then preparing them for life. We have to remember that children's prefrontal cortex, which is the front part of the brain, this is the part of the brain that deals with rational thinking, regulating emotions, all of that sort of stuff. That is not fully developed until a child is 25 or 26 years old. So they actually cannot control, they find it very difficult to control their emotions. And when they do get upset or angry or jealous or frustrated, sometimes they have a go-to response and it's not their fault. They're trying to communicate this feeling and they don't have any other skills on how to deal with it. So what we are going to do is build their skills so that when they do feel frustrated, jealous, angry, upset, they know what to do and they know how to regulate. Acknowledge your daughter's feelings. You have such a hard time brushing your teeth. It's so hard for you. You just don't like doing it. Brushing teeth is something that keeps our teeth so healthy. Then what I would do is go, and if you'd like to, encourage